Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Viber messages without leaving any trace. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to tap on the conversation that contains the message you need to remove. This will open up your chat history with that specific contact or group, allowing you to access all the messages exchanged in that thread. Once you're inside the conversation, scroll through your messages and locate the specific message you want to delete without a trace. Take your time to find the exact message, as this feature allows you to remove it completely from both your device and the recipient's device, making it as if the message was never sent in the first place. Now, once you've found the message, press and hold on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options for managing that particular message. Holding down on the message is the key to accessing these deletion features, so make sure you maintain the pressure until the menu appears. From the menu that pops up, tap on the option that says Delete Without a Trace. This is a special feature that goes beyond the regular delete option. While a standard deletion removes the message from your side, deleting without a trace removes it from both your device and the recipient's device entirely, leaving no notification or indication that a message was ever there. However, before you can use this feature, you'll need to make sure your account has Viber Plus. This is a premium subscription service offered by Viber that unlocks additional features, including the ability to delete messages without leaving any trace. Without this subscription, you won't have access to this specific deletion option, so it's worth checking your account status if you plan to use this feature regularly. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Viber message without leaving any trace behind. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.